But I rock it like a baby in the car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
Ma. No. No, you have to say it fast.
No, I can't.
Ma.
Hey, cheers. You're so cute. Cheers, dang. Quick room tour. So you come in, to the right is the bathroom. It's tiny. It is tiny, but it's cute. Some closet space over here to the left. The little mini fridge and coffee section. 2 beds. This kind of threw me for a loop, you guys, because normally this would be like a balcony or something. It's not a balcony, but the window does open. We have a little bit of a view, I guess, but yeah, very strange. But the room is nice and clean, so just took a quick shower, freshened up. Now we're headed outside to the pool because we're supposed to be drunk already. We late.
I drink another drink.
So me and my mommy decided to do a quick trip to the islands, and we just got to the Bahamas. We just finished getting dressed and we're about to go outside to the pool, to the bar, get some food because we haven't eaten nothing today and it's like 3 o'clock, so we're already behind schedule. Hi. She's so cute. This is the bag I'm carrying to the pool, and the reason I love it is because one of our passengers gave it to me when I was working, and she didn't even know I was from Austin, but it's an Austin heat bag. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. So I'm carrying that. So we just ordered some food. We're gonna eat. Now I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna get my adult beverage. Are you happy? Very happy. Good, me too. High five. 1 rum punch, you guys. Let me tell y'all something. So the resort is cute. One thing that they did right, them drinks, okay? He didn't hold back. The man did not hold back on the rum punch and the margarita. He gave me all the rum. He gave me all of it.
What's up, vlog? Hey.
Dinner time. Wow. Wow. Wow, sexy. I'm wearing this cute dress, y'all. It's not really like something I would normally wear, but look.
You gonna put that on video?
Probably.
So over
Outside.
Look, this is a cute little bag, isn't it?
It is very cute.
You need me to put your phone in there? Sorry, can't do it.
Look at what she's wearing. Wow, nice body, girl.
Come on, Phil. No, it's not you. I just didn't know you was gonna be up in here. Don't mind her, no. She's gonna do this anyway. She's
Going to dinner.
You know what? All pretty young girls do that.
And you know what? You're right, they do.
It's embarrassing. Let me stop.
Isn't she gorgeous? Like,
Off to dinner.
where are we going?
To dinner. Ooh, the lighting is great. Okay, you guys, we're going to dinner. I don't know where the restaurant is.
Oh, here it is right now.
Oh, yeah. So we're at the little Asian restaurant. We're having fun.
Fabulous time.
Fabulous time. Fabulous time.
Okay, it says welcome. Please wait to be seated. So we're going to stand here for a moment.
We're at a restaurant called Tings. Cheers. I don't know if I told y'all earlier, but they're heavy-handed with the rum punch.
Should have caught it before I messed it over.
It's okay. Tell me how it is.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Oh, wow. Okay. I don't even remember what I asked for, y'all. But this is my dessert. Okay, so trying my dessert. Oh my god.
Is that good? Okay, let's go. I'm not real happy.
All right, y'all. So we ate at the restaurant. Now we're at the little barbecue. I'm not hungry, but mommy's getting food.
Yeah, I'm on vacation. And I love food. I love good food too.
Exactly. All right, we're at the barbecue. Eating some food. Well, not me, but her. What is that? I need this tea. Okay, let's see what we got here. Earl Grey, okay. Earl Grey is good. Earl Grey is good. Tropical Green, I might drink that one. Decaffeinated. Cinnamon spice.
That sounds really good.
I think I'm gonna drink that. The cinnamon spice. That's who I am. Cinnamon spice. A fun night to get. A fun night to get. We're a fun night to get lucky. We're a fun night to get lucky. I need some tea because I got lit. Cheers. Okay. Trying to be cute and I just burned myself. See? It's giving. I really like this dress. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but it's so cute. Ma. No. No, you have to say it fast.
No, I can't.
Ma.
All that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my ends. I had the buzz on the silence. You know you gotta sit by me. Soon as you get a text, reply me. Distance between us, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Roll tide like cruise. That's how I like my baby.
Exactly. Hi. Stuck in the elevator. Nah, y'all. We are in the elevator and it just shut down. Oh my god. Mommy, calm down.
Let's take the stairs. Yeah.
We have to. Oh my god. No, that was crazy. It's slowly, it's with all our stuff.
Yeah, I'll carry it. Stop it.